Hey guys, Mapletail here. Today I wanted to talk a bit about the poll up on the Warrior Cats website for who the next Super Edition should focus on. Before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So the poll. If you haven't seen it, the options are Riverstar, Ivypool, and Misty Star, with Riverstar in the lead as of October 10th when I last checked. Some really interesting choices here, and not ones I would have guessed. I voted for Riverstar for a lot of reasons. I didn't want to go with Ivypool because we already know her and her story pretty well, and I don't really know where they'd go from here. I feel like it would be a super edition like Gracio's Vow and Scrollflight's Hope. A ThunderClan warrior POV from the current era, where we see what they're up to lately. And while I liked those books, do we really want or need more of that right now? There have been many ThunderClan super editions at this point, 5 I believe. And part of the fun of super editions is getting away from the main plot, and all that focus on ThunderClan. I was also against Misty Star, but for different reasons. If she were a choice pre the Broken Code era, I would have jumped at the chance to read more about her. She was one of my favorite characters back in the Prophecies Begin. And I know I'm not the only one who is super disappointed and frustrated by the way her character arc has gone. And usually, a super edition that focuses on a leader is about their life from kithood to death, which I adore, but we just got Leopard Star's Honor, which is like a very similar time frame. It doesn't make a lot of sense to retread over that right now. So would it focus on the present? I also wouldn't want that. As I mentioned before, how much I hate how the Aarons have butchered her character and kept her around for far too long. So of course, that leaves Riverstar. I would adore a book about him. He's such an iconic and mysterious cat. There's so much you could do with his story, and if his book gets chosen, I hope it's like the previous books about leaders that show their whole life. There's just so much there we don't know. Dawn of the Clans is my absolute favorite Warriors arc, so I'm always excited when characters from it make an appearance. Not to mention it's been ages since we got any real content from that era. There is still so much to be explored. It would also be a RiverClan book, which I'm always here for, of course. Not only that, but Dawn of the Clans RiverClan had like the least focus back then, along with like ShadowClan. So I'd love to see more. Aside from ThunderClan and WindClan, I think every clan has 2 super editions right now. Depends how you count the SkyClan ones, I guess. So even though we just got a RiverClan one, I'd love to boost that number. So yeah, I really hope Riverstar wins. I'd love to learn more about him and the characters around him, and just make a return to that era that means the world to me. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the drawing. Thanks for watching. Let me know who you voted for, or who you'd like to win. And if you haven't voted yet, I think there's still time, so we'll try to leave a link in the description. And I'll see you next Thursday.